Let's jump right into this video because today we are talking about Claude. Now, I know what you're thinking, ChatGPT is the name everyone knows, right? But Claude is not just another chatbot. It's actually a highly specialized digital brain engineered specifically for your most complex professional tasks. Created by Anthropic, which, if you didn't know, is a company founded back in 2021 by former OpenAI researchers, Claude isn't just trying to give you a generally helpful answer. It's built from the ground up to be honest, incredibly capable, and above all else, totally safe for high-stakes work.
Look, we've all been there. You ask an AI a super complex question about a massive 100-page contract or an operating agreement or some incredibly dense technical report, and what do you get? A totally generic robotic summary that completely misses the single most important detail in the fine print. It's literally the most frustrating thing. So if your job requires you to analyze massive amounts of information without losing that critical nuance, you really need to understand how Claude fundamentally changes the game compared to whatever tools you're probably using right now.
But hey, really quick, before we break down exactly how Claude's unique architecture and its fascinating written constitution actually solve this problem, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You do not want to miss out on our newest AI knowledge content. Seriously, we're totally committed to making you the absolute most informed professional in the room.
Okay, let's start with a massive differentiator here, something that completely changes how you analyze data. We're talking about the context window. This is essentially the underlying mechanics of how an AI actually reads whatever you feed into it. And honestly, this is exactly where Claude starts to really shine for those heavy-duty enterprise and professional use cases. If you're wondering what that means, just think of a context window like the size of the desk your AI works on. Most AI models have a pretty small desk. You can plop down a few files, sure, but once that desk is full, the AI physically has to start throwing early files off the desk to make room for new ones. It just forgets them. In technical terms, it drops the early context. And that is exactly what leads to those super frustrating moments where the AI completely loses the thread of the conversation, or worse, just starts making things up. And when you actually look at the numbers, the difference is kind of wild. While older models, like GPT 3.5, were limited to a 16,000 token window, which is basically roughly 40 pages of text, Claude features a massive 200,000 token capacity. So instead of a tiny desk, you've got this giant, sprawling conference table for your data. You can load in up to 500 pages of text, all at the exact same time. So why does this matter? Well, the crucial takeaway here is that Claude doesn't just skim your work, it lives inside it. When you're doing intense portfolio-level analysis, cross-referencing entire massive code bases, or digging through a 100-page legal file, Claude can pinpoint a single specific clause on page 147 with just remarkable precision. Because of that massive memory, it practically eliminates those hallucinations caused by the AI just running out of short-term brain space. But here's the thing. Giving an AI a 500-page stack of highly sensitive documents means you really need to trust how it processes that information. Massive capacity requires equally robust judgment. And that brings us to Anthropic's really brilliant breakthrough in training methodology, which they call constitutional AI. There is such a fascinating contrast in how these different models actually learn what a good answer looks like. While most AIs out there use RLHF, that stands for reinforcement learning from human feedback, which is basically just learning by copying thousands and thousands of human upvotes, Claude takes a totally different route. It is trained on a literal written constitution. We're talking about a public document, heavily inspired by sources like the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and modern ethics research. So how does that actually work? Well, it happens in this really cool two-step loop. In step one, the model writes a response, critiques its own draft against the rules in its constitution, and then revises it. Simple enough, right? But then in step two, instead of a bunch of humans voting on the best answer, a completely separate AI evaluator, which is also guided by that exact same constitution, picks the stronger response. In the AI world, they call this RLAIF, or reinforcement learning from AI feedback. Okay, so what does this actually mean for you as a user? It means Claude is fundamentally hardwired to prioritize safety and honesty. It is not just going to be a yes man for you. If you ask Claude to do something ethically questionable, it won't just throw up a generic error code and shut down. Instead, it acts a lot more like a senior advisor. It'll clearly explain the logical reasoning behind exactly why it can't comply, based entirely on those visible, auditable principles. It's super predictable, and it's totally transparent. Now, as you probably know, professional work is definitely not one size fits all. And because of that, Anthropic doesn't just give you one single model. They actually offer a tiered family of models so you can perfectly match your specific workflow needs, making sure you get the absolute best balance of speed, intelligence, and cost. Here's how that lineup breaks down. Let's say you just need lightning fast, super cost-effective responses, like maybe you're triaging 50 customer support emails. For that, you'd use Claude Haiku. But if you're conducting some deep enterprise research or business analysis, you'll want to step up to Claude Sonnet. It hits that perfect sweet spot, balancing speed and high intelligence. And finally, for your real Olympiad-level strategic problems, I'm talking complex math or deep code debugging, there is Claude Opus. That is their absolute heaviest hitter, designed for the hardest cognitive tasks.
So, by leveraging these specific models, along with that massive 200,000 token context window we talked about earlier, you are fundamentally changing your relationship with your daily tasks. You aren't just logging into a tool anymore, you're actually integrating a highly aligned digital brain directly into your workflow.
I really love this concept. Claude handles all the heavy lifting, the reading, the summarizing, the restructuring. It essentially takes all that administrative drudgery right off your plate. And that empowers you to step up and truly become the pilot. Suddenly, your job becomes orchestrating high-level strategy, applying nuanced human judgment, and guiding the overall output. You finally get to focus on those true power skills that literally no AI can replicate. So, here is my challenge for you. Don't just treat this like another simple chatbot. Start today. Upload your absolute longest, most complex report or operating statement. Give Claude a highly specific role, a crystal clear goal, and define the audience for it. You will see firsthand the incredible difference a constitutional partner with a massive context window actually makes in your workflow. The only question left is, what are you going to upload to your new digital brain today?